Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade fried zucchini. It is a very simple appetizer and you will love it. Let's begin. So you will need 2 zucchinis. For this video we are going to make 2 zucchinis that you will cut. You make sure that you cut the ends and you will start peeling them off. After peeling them off, you will just rinse them to make sure they are clean. And once you are done peeling them off and rinsing them, you will cut them in half. And after cutting them in half, you will start cutting them on the sides. So you can see how I square them. You can make your zucchini slices thick or thin, however you would like it. So you can see here, mine are a little thick. Once you are done cutting your zucchinis, you will dip them into one lightly beaten egg. Make sure you dip all the sides. Then you will coat it with breadcrumbs. Make sure all the sides are well covered with breadcrumbs, as you can see here. So once you're done, you put it in a plate and you will repeat the process for every zucchini slices like you see it here. Then in a pan, you will preheat your olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then we will start frying our zucchini. You can see here that we do not need a lot of olive oil to fry our zucchini slices. You are going to fry the zucchini slices for 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the other side. Our zucchini has been frying for 5 minutes on one side. We are now going to flip them over to make sure the other side is also fried. Our zucchini has been frying for 5 more minutes. Now we are going to remove it out of the pan. You can see how crunchy they look. One of the secrets to have a crunchy zucchini is to not fry them for too long. If you do not want them to be soggy, of course. We are done frying our zucchini slices. You can now see how good they look. It is time now to try them up. I serve it usually with pizza sauce. I like it with pizza sauce. You can also use marinara sauce or whatever sauce of your liking. It is a very good appetizer. I hope you try it and let me know on the comments down below how you found it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit the bell of notification for more videos.